find a and b if square root of 3 minus 1 whole divided by square root of 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b times of square root of 3. So let us consider square root of 3 minus 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. We are to rationalize this term. In order to rationalize this expression, we will have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by square root of 3 minus 1. Doing so, we will get square root of 3 minus 1 whole square in the numerator and multiplication of square root of 3 plus 1 and square root of 3 minus 1 in the denominator. Now, according to the identity, a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We can use this identity here where a stands for square root of 3 and b stands for 1. So we will get in the denominator square root of 3 square minus 1 square. Now the numerator we can apply identity a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus twice of ab. Here a stands for square root 3 and b stands for 1. So using this identity, the numerator will be simplified as a square plus b square minus twice of a and b. Now we can simplify the numerator as 3 because square root of 3 is 3 itself. 1 square is 1. Then multiplication of these terms is minus 2 root 3. It is 3 square of square root minus 1. It is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. You can simplify this term as 4 by 2 minus 2 square root 3 divided by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 and the second part is minus root 3 because 2 can be cancelled by 2. Now we are given that this considered term square root 3 minus 1 upon square root 3 plus 1, it is equal to a plus b square root 3. So we can compare. We can say that 2 minus square root 3 must be equal to a plus b square root 3. We can modify it 2 minus root 3 as 2 plus minus 1 is multiplying with square root 3. Now we can better compare these two terms. It is a plus b square root 3. Simply we can see that a is equal to 2 plus sign square root 3. So b is equal to minus 1. So we found that the value of a is 2 and value of b is minus 1.